Hello folks, today we are going to show you 5 best email marketing services for small businesses in 2022. Is email marketing a priority for your business in 2022? Are you looking for the best email marketing software? Choosing the right email marketing service can have a significant impact on the success of your marketing campaign. In this video we will review and compare the best 5 email marketing services for small businesses. So let's dive into it. Number 1, Constant Contact. Constant Contact is one of the largest and fastest growing email marketing. Constant Contact is one of the largest and fastest growing email marketing service in the world. It is also the most easy to use and beginner friendly email marketing service. You can easily manage your email lists, contacts, email templates, marketing calendar, and more. Each account gives you access to unlimited emails, easy tracking and reporting, built-in social media sharing tools, free image library, list segmentation, Facebook ads integration, and a powerful e-commerce integration for Shopify stores. Their email plus accounts also come with powerful features like email automation, drip campaigns, surveys, polls, coupons, online donations, and subject line A/B testing, which helps you send targeted emails to maximize your open rate. It's a very powerful item. Constant Contact has a 60-day free trial. No credit card is required for it. After that, their pricing starts as low as $20 months. As low as $20 month. Number 2, Sendinblue. Sendinblue is a complete SMS and email marketing software for businesses. They are one of the fastest growing email marketing platforms in Europe. They are one of the fastest growing email marketing platforms in Europe. They are one of the fastest growing email marketing platforms in Europe. It is an extremely easy to use. It is an extremely easy to use platform with excellent tools to create beautiful and highly engaging emails. Their simple drag and drop email editor is perfect for beginners with no experience in email marketing. So Sendinblue includes beginner-friendly marketing automation tools that allow you to send transactional emails, create workflows for automatic flow up emails, and segment users. It can also select the best time to send bulk emails using their algorithms to ensure the best email deliverability. So it is also another powerful email marketing service. It's also another best option for beginners. Number 3, drip. Drip is a powerful enterprise. Drip is a powerful enterprise email marketing platform for e-commerce, bloggers and digital marketers. They offer a wide range of tools to make marketing automation, sales funnels, and personalization easy. Their email software offers seamless integration. For all popular website builders, including WordPress and WooCommerce. This allows you to easily add pop-ups inside. This allows you to easily add pop-ups, opt-in sign opt-in sign-up forms to your website and capture more leads. What sets Drip apart from the competition like Campaign Monitor is their intelligent marketing automation tools. Their smarter email segmenting, split testing features, list groups and visual automation workflow builder. These features allow you to reach targeted customers in your email list to get more sales. Number 4. HubSpot is one of the most well-known softwares in the CRM and email marketing space. Their email marketing service is free to start, and it comes with a lot of powerful automation features designed to grow your business. You can use their easy drag and drop email builder and a selection of templates to create a completely custom newsletter that matches your brand's personality and colors. Because of the native integration with the HubSpot CRM, you can personalize your emails for each subscriber based on things like device type, country, list membership, or any other custom information you might have on the individual subscriber. So it's also a great service for the beginners. Number 5. Convertkit. Convertkit is a robust email marketing platform for professional bloggers, authors, and marketers. It is extremely easy to use and incredibly powerful. ConvertKit's unique feature is to easily offer content upgrades and incentives with email sign-up forms. It also comes with easy to manage autoresponders to send drip emails from their emailing service. With ConvertKit, you can easily segment subscribers into those who are interested and those who have already purchased. This helps you to increase conversations with automated emails that feel more personal in marketing terms. This is called targeted email marketing. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video. So if you enjoyed it, do subscribe our channel and we will see you next time.